Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Ari Wallet. A lot has happened on this project starting from 6th of November. We have been hearing different kind of rumor, different kind of stories. So at this point it is no longer funny. But what do we need to do? We still need to be on an alert. We still need to secure our account the way we can. So many hacking has been happening on their Discord, and in fact the whole story is somehow, but Ari Wallet will always claim they don't know nothing about it, but every second someone is posting on their Discord, and yet they claim they don't know anybody, they don't know who is doing that. But nevertheless, we still need to make sure we secure our account, because this whole stories might affect, or they may decide to lock some users out from their wallet, and if you have not secured your wallet, you might not be able to revive or retrieve your account. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can secure your account. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, do well to like, share, and subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can as well join our WhatsApp group or Telegram channel for high value updates. So here on the Ari Wallet, yesterday I made a video on how to add our Ari wallet on Discord, and also how to add your EVM wallet on your Ari wallet. So we are going to look at this now, how to secure our account. And if you have not added your EVM wallet, go and watch my previous video. I will also attach it in the video description. Do it and get ready. We have 16 days left for this wallet submission, that is tax proof submission. So how then do you secure your account? To secure your account, you have to click on these three lines here. So once you click on the three lines, you are going to see this, your email address and this logo here, which they call the master key. You have to copy this and save it somewhere on your notepad, so that if eventually they start logging out people from their account, you will be able to retrieve yours. Just click on this copy icon and save it somewhere that is safe. If you have not done this, please go and do this. This is what they call master key. Secure it to avoid unnecessary stress. Now if you click on the setting icon, you can now see change password and view master key. This view master key, you have to copy it, view it and copy it somewhere. View your master key, you must put your password, and they said that this master key changes with your password. So if you change your password, automatically your master key is as well changed. So make sure you save your your password, and also you save your master key. So if you change your password, make sure to save it again so that you will not lose it. Go and copy your master key and save it somewhere. Things are happening, and I will advise each and every one of us to lower our expectation. Ari might not cook. Ari might cook. But this whole things, this red flag flying around, towards the end of wallet submission, the accounts have started having issue, and they keep keep up updating that you should discard any information in their Discord, and whatever thing that is going to happen, you are going to get their update on their S account. So make sure you submit your EVM wallet and just go away. After all, nothing is happening on this project again. No more daily checking, nothing is going on. So your own is to just make sure you submit your EVM wallet. Whenever they are ready, if anything they are giving us, we will just collect. Do not stress yourself. Do not put high hope on them, because they will disappoint. they might eventually disappoint like every other project. So know this and have peace of mind. So that is it for this video. If you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.